Alright, quick video on counting money back. We're not dealing with any coins. It's very rare that we deal with coins. A double dip in chocolate with the topping still is 50 cents extra, so I can do a quick example with that too. But bottom line is you're going to be getting a lot of 10s, 20s, some 50s, and maybe even a $100 bill. And we don't do any math when we count money back. So we're always going to tell the customer their total. A lot of our products are $7. So if you sell one dipped and rolled ice cream bar, it's going to be $7. And let's say your customer gave you a $20 bill. That's going to be 7 out of 20. You can set it off to the side on your counter. You can lay it sideways in your till, or you can just count up. 8, 9, 10, and 10 is 20. And that's exactly what I'm counting back to myself from my till to me, and then I'm going to count it again back to the customer. All right, 7 out of 20, that's 8, 9, 10, and 10 is 20, and I'm going to hand it over to the customer. It's no different if you get a $20 bill, a $50 bill, or a $100 bill. You are not doing any math, no subtraction in your head. You're just counting from one number, their total, up to the number of the bill that they gave you. If it's for 2 bars and they gave you a $50 bill, that's going to be $14 out of 50. 1 makes 15, 5 makes 20, 10 makes 30, and 20 makes 50. So 14, 1 is 15, 20, 30, and 50. And that's it. We're not handing our bills to our customer one at a time. All right, they're going to fly away, right? So you guys will learn this in person too, but I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. It's the easiest thing ever. Let's say you sold a plain bar for $4 and a dipped bar. Your total is $11. Let's say they gave you 21. 11 to 21, well, what's the difference there? $10, right? Okay. They're just trying to give you a $1 bill so you don't give them back 4 ones. All right. Don't ever hesitate to ask for help. It's not embarrassed. It shouldn't be anything that's embarrassing. We want to make sure we're getting it right. If you get a bar, vanilla, double dipped in chocolate with toffee almonds, the total is going to be $7.50. If they don't give you the quarters, the change from a 20, let's say they give you a $20 bill, from $7.50, 50 cents makes 8, 9, 10, and 10 makes 20. And that's how you're going to count it back to them. From $7.50, there's 8, 9, 10, and 10 makes 20. And that's it, guys. Too easy.